This is our first audio recording into our assignment work. I'm being joined by AJ. Can you introduce yourself, AJ?
Hi, my name is AJ Tang.
Okay. We also have our two colleagues working with us, Amia and Jose. Unfortunately, though, they are unavailable at the moment and are not able to jump on this call with us. So I'm basically now going to be running through everything we have to do for this task. So let me just grab my physical copy here. So currently, if I just quickly get myself up on the screen there, we are working on Unit 3 BTEC assignment brief. The learning aims of this assignment is to work in a group, review others' progress, and just to develop other skills such as the teamwork, communication. The assignment title is Digital Multimeter Procurement Report. Our handout date was the 5th of November 2020, and our deadline date is the 30th of November. And now I'm going to run through the vocational scenario or context. Assume that Samuel College Electronics Lab is going to buy 5 digital multimeters for AC and DC voltage, current, resistance, and continual measurement purpose for Samuel College Electronics Lab. For the purpose of this assignment, you'll need to prepare a digital multimeter procurement report. In the assignment, you will develop digital multimeter specifications, including features, functions, budgeted target costs, and accuracy of the handheld digital multimeters. Find the product procurement process of Samuel and explore and evaluate select 2 digital multimeter models and also 2 sellers of each of these models. The 2 selected models should be the most cost-effective, have a minimum 1-year warranty period, preferably 3 years, have good online reviews, and an accuracy as per development specifications. The 2 sellers of each of the models should also have good online reviews, can accept procurement requests, and can send the item within 7 days of order. The next 3 tasks are based on the for vocational scenario above. So that was the vocational scenario. I did paraphrase a bit, but that was everything that was on there. Down to go through the task. So task 1, understand how to contribute to working as part of a group in an appropriate ways. You will need to list at least 2 ground rules required for working with others. Evidence this, and it can be done in multiple different ways, for example, leaflet, presentation, or poster. That was task 1.1. Task 1.2, you'll be playing a part planning or whole group task work and an allocation of individual activities. Present this in a form of a recording or a group session, which is what we will do next time. Obviously, there's all the criteria for that. Then we move on to task 2, demonstrate how to work as an effective group member, which is basically going to be gathering all our resources, showing all that, and it's also going to be then our midpoint assessment, which will basically be, I will be working on a statistical way and we're going to be doing it opinionated. We're going to talk in a group and discuss what parts we have done well, what parts we can improve on, and then we will take that into the final task, and then we will move on from there. Task 3 is obviously just asking us to review the whole group's progress at the end, but the task before that will be actually doing the multimeter task. And what I've decided, the group have decided as well, that we will all research 2 multimeters, get them all together, decide which out of the 8 are the best, the 2 best, then we'll review those 2. Then obviously we'll go into final assessment, assess how the group has done, if they've worked well, and then obviously the task will be done there. We've also got some resources and information to help us support this work. Links to such as Wikipedia, research into multimeters, Amazon links, yeah, that will be basically it for the task work. This has been the introduction work on what we are doing currently.